Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest in food and tech reviews. Today, we're exploring the world of Hungryroot, a unique hybrid between a meal kit service and grocery delivery. If you love freestyling your meals but also appreciate some thoughtful suggestions and shortcuts, then Hungryroot might be the perfect fit for you. Hungryroot's offerings remind me a bit of Trader Joe's, with their quirky branded products mixed in with grocery staples and artisanal brands. I took this grocery delivery and meal kit service for a test drive and quickly understood why it has a loyal following. What sets Hungryroot apart from traditional meal kits is that it tailors a delivery of groceries based on your preferences and provides simple recipe suggestions that you can create from those items. The sign-up process involves a quiz about your eating habits, food preferences, and dietary restrictions. It even asks which meals you're interested in receiving ingredients for: breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snacks. Once you've logged your food preferences, Hungryroot curates a list of suggested groceries and recipes. But here's the best part: you can easily swap items that don't appeal to you. Each food item is assigned a credit value, and if you delete something from your cart, you get those credits to spend on other items, like produce, snacks, meats, and more. Hungryroot's flexibility is a game changer. You can cancel or swap out entire recipes or customize your order every week. It's like having a personal shopper who guides you through the store, but ultimately lets you decide what you want. Plans start at $65, and the pricing varies based on the number of servings you choose. While it may be slightly more expensive than shopping for groceries individually, the convenience of curated recipe suggestions and doorstep delivery is well worth it. The recipes are mostly easy and simple, with as few as 3 ingredients. But the best part is that the ingredients can be used in various ways. I made a delicious paleo-Thai chicken stir-fry, and with some creativity, I used the remaining ingredients for other meals. Hungryroot makes meal prep easy and fun, offering a wide range of foods and snacks that are fresh and interesting. If you're looking for a flexible and convenient way to discover new foods and recipes, this is the service for you. That wraps up our review of Hungryroot grocery delivery and meal kit service. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and insights. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy cooking and stay hungry for new adventures in food. See you in the next video.